If we look at the process of development using Moscrif platform, it depends on the model used by the developer or company. If we look at it in a more abstract way, we find the same phases here. The first phase includes the analysis, graphics, logic, and database designs. At this part, Moscrif can save time, funds, and human resources by realizing the design only once, with Moscrif taking care of the applications being executable on all supported platforms. The special area where Moscrif helps is a programming and debugging phase, because the programmers do their job only once, and the variety of operating systems is taken care of by Moscrif. After successful programming comes the phase of packages building, where Moscrif asks for the platform setup, which varies according to the individual platform. But it is also done only once. After the setup, the installation packages are created, which leads to the last phase, the deployment of the packages. Here the job of the Moscrif platform ends, because the publishing is up to the creator of the application, and it depends on the application being deployed on the device or individually, whether it's the enterprise solution or it's going to be deployed to the mobile apps market, such as the App Store by Apple, Ovi by Nokia, Samsung Apps by Samsung, and so on. Moscrif is a new way of mobile apps and games creation and brings numerous advantages. Undoubtedly, the biggest advantage is the fact that Moscrif is a cross-platform solution and allows the programmer or the company to maintain only one code that serves to publish all available mobile operating systems, which results in savings in human resources, fundings, and time, as the maintaining only one code is far less expensive compared to supporting numerous platforms. As Moscrif will be ported to other mobile platforms in time, the programmers get their apps ported to those systems together with Moscrif itself, without any other effort, except the necessary new platform setup. Another advantage of Moscrif is its ability to produce native applications. It doesn't emulate the apps using the web techniques, which means the apps can be installed and distributed in a normal way, as is typical for the native applications. Of course, these applications take full advantage of the mobile features. Moscrif belongs among the tools that speed up the development, as there is no need to write native code for each platform individually. In other words, it is not necessary to know the programming languages such as C, C++, C#, Java, Objective-C, based on each platform. The knowledge of the popular JavaScript is sufficient, and the rest is taken care of by Moscrif platform. There is also no need to know the web technologies and frameworks such as jQuery and many others. We'll do with one programmer who'll be able to program in Moscrif, and he'll automatically cover all available platforms. This means that one programmer can generate more applications in a shorter time without diminishing the quality of these applications. Another advantage is the fact that Moscrif is a coherent environment that is independent and doesn't require the installation of the additional frameworks or SDKs. If we're going to create an app for Android, we don't have to install the Android developer tools. If we're going to create for Symbian, we don't have to install the tools by Nokia for creating Symbian applications. The same applies to Bada, Visual Studio, and various plugins necessary for Windows Mobile and Windows CE development, and of course it applies to iPhone as well. However, in case of the iPhone, it is necessary to have a computer with macOS 10 installed, but this is a requirement of Apple. As you can see, Moscrif can be a very useful tool and can be helpful in developing the mobile applications. That's all. Thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to further parts.